This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 81 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we've got a little bit to build on the engine, and then we're going to have a look at the magazine, because we haven't done that yet this month, and this is the shortest build of all of them. So starting off, we've got this bit to put on to the bottom side of here somewhere. If I hold it the same way around as it is in the picture, figure it out, it's got to be over there. There. On there. That's not very secure, but it doesn't have to be for now. It just needs to go on there for now. Then the plate will come over the top and really hold it down properly. So we get the plate the right way round, which was that way round. With the two holes. So that's, no, it was that way round. There we go. That goes out, fills in the gap there. That goes on there. Like that. There we go. That's nice. A satisfying click, that. That goes on there. We need 2 screws to hold that in place. Oh, 7 screws. Lots of different types of screws in this build. It's somewhat annoying. I'm sure they could have made it a little bit neater, just to cut down the number of different variations. But there we go. So those 2 screws will hold that plate on, which will hold that other little plastic bit in place as well. No doubt this will over for that. This plate is what will be held into the bottom of the car. I'll get those tightened up behind the scenes. First of all, I'm going to put that onto there. Right way round. There we go. That goes on there, and then we've got to attach this onto the top. The big hole there. That going off sideways. It's got a key, so that'll only go one way round. That in there. Then that bit, the hole next to it. Like that. Nope, not like that. That's keyed as well. Get the angle right on that. There's a flat side to it. See where the flat side needs to go. It's just not lining up very easily. There we go. That in there, and then the tube goes from the back to the front, getting the curve the right way round. That goes to, I can't see. Oh, it's in the big hole there. There, that's got to be the long side there then. No, it's a little bit in the middle. A little bit in the middle. And the big hole there. Go over the pin. Oh, the little pin there. So the pin there, and the other end has got a pin that goes into a hole. There. Like that. Right, I'll get these screws tightened up, and then I'll bring in the magazine, and we'll have a look through that. So, this is magazine number 21, building Eleanor. It's got stuff. Experience Eleanor's magic as ever. That's the bit we're doing now. I did have to dig into my parts box and realise that we've done both doors, but that's about it. We've done the front grille, both doors, and that's all for the bodywork. But I'd forgotten that we'd done the doors. So so yes, the building parts we did a few days back was that one. Last time was that one. This time, this time, yes, we've just done this. There we go. Got the engine prepared. Next time, we've got a couple of extra little bits to put on the engine. The spark plug assembly, which goes into those holes that I was mentioning the other time. And then we get to install the engine into the car itself, which is a good place to end the month. So, yeah, I'm happy to do that. Looking through the magazine in its entirety, we've got Toby Halleck's car collection. Company parking lot. Yeah, he's got quite a few cars. The stars enjoy the stunts. The new version of Gone in 67 is action-packed, spectacular for the car chases, stunts, and fast-paced sequences. It was indeed. Yet several of the movie stars insisted on personally taking some of the more risky scenes. That's quite cool. There's Tom Cruise, who does his own stunts. Is that the next page? There we go. So yeah, represent does one of the most dangerous stunts himself. There you go. See, good things. Nice. We got the 2000 Ford F Series, the F350. That's the big truck that everyone compares to the Cybertruck, or the new version of it, the electric version. That's Anne. That's big, yeah. I like that. Deborah is a bit smaller, a bit more of a normal car, the Jaguar, 1999. Nice Jag. You can't go wrong with a Jag, can you really? And that's it for the ladies' cars names. If we do 2 a time and we're at 21, then we must have done 42 already. Maybe more. But yeah, we're going to run out, aren't we? 50 cars? It was 50 cars, wasn't it? Yeah. So there we go. The Ford Mustang SVT Cobra R. Nice looking engine in that. So next time, I can't make out what any of those things are. No idea what they are. Oh, it says the right side engine bulkhead. Yeah, we've got to build up around there. Firewall and the left side engine bulkhead. Strut brace and battery box. So yeah, building up around the engine that we've just fitted. Makes sense. Good time to do that. So that's next time, which will be delivered very shortly, actually. So yeah, I'll see you for that soon. But there's one more of these to build. So I'll see you in a couple of days for the last of this month's build. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.